Wagwan! Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Wednesday. Welcome back to MX24. Welcome back to MX Breaks Lifestyle and Entertainment, where we give you everything in entertainment and lifestyle in Ghana and, of course, around the world, guys. You don't know, it's Wednesday now, guys. You know I like Wednesday too. You know I like every day of the week. You don't know what my motto is. Go out and do it. My name is Kevoy B. You can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on Facebook. You can follow me on Twitter. You can follow me everywhere at Kevoy B, Kevoy B. And our stories today are, at this point, he needs no introduction. We are just going to be actively following his music career. Now, Yaw Tog just dropped another song, and honestly, fans have mixed feelings. I really do hope you guys go search for the song. Zane, it's trending everywhere. So go and search for the song, look for it, and listen to it. Zane, now the Billboard Music Awards was a spectacle. Hosted by Nick Jonas, the ceremony recognized several key figures in the music industry. Singer Pink was revealed as the icon of the year, while Drake took Artist of the Decade. Hey, Drake, you're going on. No, but really, the ceremony was all about The Weeknd, who went home with what? 10 awards. Woyoy, Weeknd. Wait, wasn't he the one complaining about the Grammys the other day and saying he was not getting any Grammy? See, him get Billboard Award. 10! Can you imagine? Now, other big winners included the late Pop Smoke, who won 5 awards, including Best New Act. Bad Bunny and BTS, both international acts, earned 4 awards each. I mean, it was a great day with several highly recognized artists. And guys, listen. You know we always have the exclusives. Zane, we always have the exclusive for you. And today, we have an artist for you. Zane, we have Nickle Kay with us today. Zane, and before we see Nickle Kay, we're going to see his music video. Let's see it. Hey. He's coming. So Nickle Kay is an artist from Ghana. Zane, Nickle Kay is right here with us. Hey, Nickle Kay, big up yourself. Nickle Kay is here, and he's going to give us all the exclusives. So let's begin the interview, Let's begin the interview. So, Nickle Kay, tell me first and foremost, my brother, why Nickle Kay?
Oh, yes, a name I derived from my name, Nicholas Kojo.
Nicholas
so
Kojo.
the Nickel stands for, the Nicholas stands for the nickel, and the Kojo stands for the K.
I get you. What inspired you to do music,
Oh, music is just a feeling. I don't know. I've been following music since. But then I used to rap Sarkodie songs.
Oh, yeah?
And all that, yeah.
Which one of the Sarkodie songs do you remember?
For now, I don't think because I've been focusing on mine for now. I don't really pay attention to that, yeah. So I just have to focus on mine.
Can't unlearn.
And do the whole thing, yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, all right, who in Ghana is your inspiration? I mean, obviously,
Ghana.
I think Sarkodie, do you rap? Are you a rapper?
For now, I've switched from the rap, but not that I don't do it anymore. When the song comes and it has to be rap, I just do the rap. But for now, I focus more on the singing. Yeah, so I now listen more in Ghana. Yeah, I think King Promise. Yeah.
King Promise is it? Also, you do music similar to. You like the ladies?
Yeah.
The ladies. Hey, you're trying to seduce the ladies, though.
For the girl, yeah.
For the girl, them. Yeah. So, all right, MX24 is a big platform. So, how do you plan to utilize MX24?
Okay, I think this is my first time being on a TV station.
Oh, really?
Sure.
Big up yourself, you see that?
Yeah.
MX24,
really
you saw him here
I think
first.
this is just the beginning, so sure.
Yeah, man.
You are taking it to the next
So, how do you
level.
plan to use it? How do you plan to use
I think I'm happy being here, and I'm going to make very good use of it. Yeah, I'll be coming here. Anytime I plan dropping any singles and all that, I think, yeah.
How many singles do you have?
Singles, I think I have 3 for now.
You have 3 for now? You want to give us a freestyle on the show? Quick. Give us a freestyle. Quick.
I packing money fully loaded, baby. Come chop and baby. Missy enti obianu de. Minge Davido some try a shake pe. All my love and my focus on you. Now my body, your name I go tattoo. If I copy paste, see I no go undo. See I no go undo. Yeah. I'll sit and make you wine non-stop, baby, wine non-stop. Anything for you, baby, I go grind non-stop. I go drop from the bus if I see you, my baby, my lady.
Hey.
Cause you are my last stop, eh. Baby, 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 it's your baby.
Hold on. You see you now, you're trying to seduce the ladies to come in and go see all my money here, come chop. You see you. We have the video, we have his video, so let's watch his music video real quick.
Fully loaded, baby. Come chop and baby. Me see into your be and baby. Me get the video, so I'm try a shake. All my love and my focus on you. Now my body, your name, I go tattoo. If I copy paste you, I no go undo. Girl. See, I no go undo.
Hey, I like this song, my brother. This song is good. This song is nice.
Thank
this song
you, I
is nice.
appreciate it.
Well, yeah, my brother. So I mean, what is the takeaway from this song? Let me ask you. What is the takeaway? See my money here, come chop arm.
You know, music is just a feeling. I was there one day and Kafu sent me the beat. Nickle, Charlie, I get some beat for you. I know you be more of Afro, you do more of Afro beats now. So immediately I heard the beat. I wasn't feeling some tone inside, but so I asked him to change that tone, which is the.
So are you
yeah,
like,
yeah, that was the tone that actually gave me the right to write something like on the beat. So immediately I just woke up on the beat, I just went and recorded it, and we just did it. But shout to Fox Beats, he mastered the song. Yeah, nice. He mastered the song, and we just dropped it on my birthday, which is on the 15th of April. Yeah, just to give to my April. That was last month. Yeah, so I just did this for my fans out there because it's my birthday. That's my gift.
Nice.
Like I think I should give it to them. So
nice. Only in Ghana I realize that people give gifts on their birthday. It's a strange practice to me. But are you like a musician? Do you play music?
No, I don't produce.
No, I'm asking if you play
organ.
Music. Yeah,
no, I don't play. I don't play. But what added to the music that I do is I'm a videographer. So like I shoot more videos. I edit and shoot most of the artists at the Shaman Day. Yeah.
All right. Tell us where to find your music. Tell us where to find you.
Oh, on all platforms. I think Boom Play everywhere.
No, tell them your name and
my
everything.
name.
Yeah, spell your name for them, man.
Nickle. Give space. Kay. Nickle Kay. But you can find me on Twitter, Instagram, Nickle Kay _ Facebook, and what they call it, YouTube, Nickle Kay Official. Yeah, that's my platform.
So all right, so we're gonna run the music, Zane. But Nickle Kay, thank you for coming through, my brother.
Okay,
Respect.
Thank you.
Respect,
thank
the thing. I hope success for your career and thing.
Thank you very much.
So, hey guys, that was Nickle Kay on MX Breaks Lifestyle and Entertainment. You don't know, guys, you don't know. I tell you all the time. I'm exclusive. You understand? We have it. You see me? So Nickle Kay, big up yourself. We're going to go out. This is MX Breaks Lifestyle and Entertainment. Jonah, big up yourself. Tasha, big up yourself. Zane, Churcher, big up yourself. Hey, guys, this is MX Breaks Lifestyle and Entertainment. My name is Keboy B. This is Nickle Kay. Little more, big up yourself.